Hello, this is our last day of doing CVCC word practice. Tomorrow we will be doing our dictated sentences like we would normally do on a Friday. So this is our last chance to really practice applying the skills that we've learnt this week. Okay, and just a quick little reminder, I'm sure you don't need reminding, but we have got CVCC. So that means we have got two adjacent, so that means next to, adjacent consonants that do not blend together to make one sound. They still make their two separate sounds. Okay. Before we begin, please make sure you have got good listening ears and that your sound is turned up. Make sure you've got a paper or a notebook, whatever it is you're using to write on, a pencil, and then something to mark with, so a coloured pen or pencil for marking. Now, the tricky words that we have got today. We have got little. The mouse was very little. Out. I wonder when we are allowed out. When. When are we going back to school? When. And one. I only have one laptop. One. I'm going to give you 1 minute to write out all 4 of these words as many times as you can. I really, really want you to beat yesterday's score if you can. Ready, steady, go. Little, out, when, and one. Now these are tricky words. We can't use our phonics to help us. So we just need to learn them. We need to practice and practice and practice until we remember them. And that's half your time gone. Keep going. That's it. You're doing really, really well. Keep going. You've got 20 seconds left. And stop there. Okay, put your pencils down. Count up how many words you've done. Have you got more than 10 words? Have you got more than 15 words? Have you got more than 20 words? Have you got more than what you did yesterday? Or the day before? Because that's what's important. We need to try and improve our own scores every day. Okay, let's move on to the CVCC words that we are doing today. Okay. Now, the first one I should probably mention, I would say this a little bit differently because of my accent on the south coast. Okay. Let's do the robot arms and then I'll repeat it how I would say it afterwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3. T-a-s-k. Task. Now, that's how people from up north would say it, task. But down on the south coast, down in Southampton and Portsmouth, we tend to speak a little bit weirdly. And so we might say task. Even though it's not got an R sound in it, we might say task. But technically, we should be saying task. So I wonder what the task would be in writing today. I wonder what the task would be. Can you think of another sentence with the word task in it? Same applies, I'm afraid. Next word. Are we ready with our robot arms? Last. Again, the proper way to say this, and northerners would agree, last. But down south, we always say last. So I was last in the race. I was the last person to put my book away. Can you think of a sentence with the word last in it? Oh, here's an easier one. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Milk. I had milk with my Weetabix. Some adults put milk in their coffee. Can you think of a sentence with the word milk? And our last word that we're going to do our sound buttons and our robot arms for. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Golf. My granddad likes to play golf. We played crazy golf at the beach. Can you think of a sentence with the word golf? Okay, now we're going to have our 3 words. Is it 3 or it might be 4 today? Oh no, it's 3. Our 3 words that you are going to have a go at writing. So have you got your pencils ready? The first word we have is pump. Pump. The second word is wind. Wind. And the third word is jump. Jump. You've got 1 minute to have a go at writing those 3 words and then try and put them in a sentence if you can. Ready? Go. Pump. Wind. Jump. I needed to pump the ball. The clothes were drying in the wind. The loud noise made me jump. Think of your own sentences for pump, wind, jump. Okay, pop your pencils down. If you've got your other coloured pencil ready, we can mark them. So the first word was pump. Pump. The second word, wind. Wind. And the third word, jump. Jump. Okay, ready for dictated sentences? Remember, if I go too fast in your dictated sentences, you can pause the video and you can rewind it to listen to the sentence again. Okay. Your first sentence, number 1. You need to land on your feet. You need to land on your feet. I'm not going to tell you what goes at the beginning and what goes at the end. I'm hoping that you remember. You need to land on your feet. The special word in that sentence is land. Number 2. The light bulb blew. The light bulb blew. The special word in that one is bulb. If I say the light bulb blew, it means it's smashed or it stopped working. The light bulb blew. Number 3. Camels have a hump on their back. Camels have a hump on their back. The special word in that sentence is hump. Number 4. What's in the pond? Oh, that's a question. I wonder what punctuation that needs. What's in the pond? And the special word is pond. But it definitely needs a piece of punctuation that's different. It's not a full stop. And the last one, number 5. The sheet was damp. The sheet was damp. Okay. Before I move on to the answers, I want you to check every single sentence begins with a capital letter. I want you to check that every single sentence ends with the right piece of punctuation. Okay, let's have a look. You need to land on your feet. I've started with a capital Y for you. Land, L-A-N-D, land. On your feet with a full stop. A capital T for the. Bulb is B-A-L-B, bulb. And it's got a full stop at the end. Camels begins with a capital C because it's the beginning of the sentence, a capital C. Hump, H-A-M-P. And at the end we've got a full stop. A capital W at the beginning of this sentence. What's in the pond? P-O-N-D, pond. Oh, what's this? This is not a full stop. We've got a question mark because it's a question. What's in the pond? And the last one, capital T at the beginning of the sentence. The sheet was damp. D-A-M-P, damp. With a full stop at the end. Well done. I hope you have remembered all of your capital letters. I hope you all managed to put the right punctuation in and remembered the question mark for number 4. And I hope that you got most of those words right, as they're words that we've looked at previously in the week. Okay, tomorrow it's just going to be the dictated sentences that we would normally do on a Friday. Okay, I think it's 8 sentences off the top of my head. Okay, so tomorrow we won't have any PowerPoints to learn, to go through. We will just do the dictated sentences. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.